just came to say hello.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. It's Katrina. So I'm bringing you this concept for Valentine's Day. And these are my little character cups. What I did was took the cups that I put the DTF transfers on and put tissue paper down in them just to give them a little bit of Valentine flair there. I also put candy down in the cups, as well as the Hershey Kisses. And that's the silver box of the Hershey Kiss, the single layer that's kind of big. I put the little plush animals that I got from Dollar Tree behind them and put airheads in there as well. I attached the cup and the straw. Then I wrap these in shrink wrap and put a bow on them. I think these have turned out very cute and will make good sellers for Valentine's Day. They are quick grab and goes, very convenient gift, very affordable gift, and may sell in multiples. Tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.
I just came to say hello.